Miraj.
Thank you very much to Thomas Satyajit for giving me this opportunity. I ngasigi Manipur ki baat se nahi nabakanda ikoina draw to way avaze Tamona rightly pointed out how Sir Homena su bukhalai vaze JKP line haiba je aijo yam yaning ba ngasai dum ain haijari dune I nothing but appreciation yam tawningi mana rightly dissect over point mayam yauri mayam du deki ikoina learn to way avaze sida phambiri ba masak nai academicians sing yauri Manipur ki ikoina respect orga lakchaba look up to civil society ki leaders mayam yauri man haibam yauri the Manipuri should solve the problem. Kalamtan solve to we are mayam na mating pang baywane noy nasana solve to godong nes. Sida ikoy ki democratic spirit amadi free people ki spirit cha sida reflect to godong ne. Haibadune number 1 an issue bada insecurities ki matang na ma hai. Every time ma khakten te arena bi na ngang bo gera mo yang toy haiba bo ni Nagas are insecure. The Nagas are feeling insecure. Cookies are feeling insecure. Maites are feeling insecure. Chama na pangal jo insecure. Fill the web. Everyone is feeling insecure here. Ado, I quick insecurity say kanagi mayok to know lies. Maites are feeling insecure against the Naga, against the cookie. The same vice versa. Every community is feeling insecure against one another. I quick say insecurity is I quick liminary of purupsa machine gi marak teneva. I quick say I quick insecurity may quick feel doris. Sida yam toy ni season aba term of makak hiragadi notion namakak yam toy putur is a maite mutkidore. Naga mutore, cookie mutore, pangan mutore, bagi sigi notions in him. I don't say identity politics ki matang da Francis Fukuyama mai matang the hybrid and South Taylor and Hivo. Identity politics is saved by the misrecognitions and absence of recognitions of one's identity. So I quite saying insecurities mayamze. Why don't we realize that Manipuri is threatened? Not Manipur is threatened way. I don't realize the wungam drisika you know. I quite saying America. I'm threatened the way. No, Pangan threatened the way against the Maite. Maite threatened the way against the other communities. Naga threatened the way against the Maite and Pangal. Why don't we realize ourselves that the entire Manipur is threatened? I quite civilization is threatened way. I quite aspiration and interest is threatened way. Haibagi, Aduki change. I quite realize the wungam drisika you know. Sini JKP like magi whole species the guy draw to way aba. Poramadi adunai at least I could immaturity my arms all the sectarian forces, all the communally vested agenda punamakse doya namdaraga idea of Manipur they could develop to idea of Manipur the fight of Thank you very much.